What's up everybody, my name is Phil. Welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So today's video, we're going to show you how to professionally install a sticker. Alright guys, now this is experts only. Please don't try this at home unless you have an official Car Guy Supplies sticker and the correct tools. So what you're going to need for this job is a flat razor blade like this. You're going to need some glass cleaner and a bank card or a credit card such as this one here. Now guys, we're going to show you how to install this sticker like we did here on our glass, and we're going to do it on our back window with the same exact Car Guy Supplies sticker. If you want to pick some of these up along with a bunch of other detailing tools and products, then go to carguysupplies.com and check out their full supply of detailing products, tools, and other awesome stuff. No longer is the Miranda 20 going to work for 20% off, but there's a new discount program that they're rolling out, and this is going to be awesome. It's going to actually save you a ton of money by spending money. Seriously guys, this program is awesome. We'll explain it at the end. So let's go ahead and install this sticker on our back glass of our Sequoia. Okay guys, so here's where we're going to install the sticker, right on our back glass of our Sequoia. So let's prep the surface and get it ready to apply the sticker. We're just going to use a dedicated glass cleaner, and I'm going to use the razor blade here to just clean the surface. You'll hear it pick up any little particles on the glass. That way you're deep cleaning it and getting rid of any little particles that might be on the surface. Take a clean microfiber towel and clean that surface. And now you're ready to go. So guys, very gently take your sticker and you're going to pull from one of the little corners here. Make sure to grab that sticker at the corner and pull gently. And guys, here's a professional tip. Don't touch the back of the sticker with your fingers. You'll get junk on it. So now you're going to line up the sticker perfectly. And when you get it the way that you want it, press in the center here and work your way out. Now use your card and gently push out any bubbles. Make sure to go all around the edges. Nice and bubble free and not sticking up. And there you go guys, that's how you professionally install a Car Guy Supplies sticker. Really, any sticker. Alright guys, it's as easy as that. So now I have a Car Guy Supplies sticker on the side here, and now I have one in the back representing Car Guy Supplies. So guys, what else can you do with your bank card or with your credit card? Well, you can head over to Car Guy Supplies and pick up some detailing products. So they have a ton of products. They have the AM Details line, they have the Dr. Beasley's line, they have the Car Pro line, they have the G-Technic line, they have a bunch of other products on there. They also have tools to help you with your interior detailing, tons of different brushes and applicators, and they have a bunch of nice microfibers from the Rag Company and Auto Fiber, so definitely go check that out. And guys, they're rolling out a new discount program, so I'm going to have details down below, and I'll flash up on the screen some of the details as well. But if you click on the website and go to the new discount program, you'll see how it's tiered. The more you spend, the more credit you build up, and you can use that credit towards any of the products and tools on that online store. So guys, it starts with 2%, goes up 10%, all the way up to 50% if you're spending a large amount of money buying tools and products. Now guys, if you're a professional detailer, you are going to be buying a lot of products, and this can really save you a lot of money. So definitely check out that new discount program and you will save a ton of money buying these products. So guys, I know you're probably thinking to yourself, really? Professionally install a sticker? I know, it's just a joke. But really, these stickers do come with some of the orders, and I love to put them on my own vehicle, on my polisher, anything that I can put my hands on and represent Car Guy Supplies. They have been a great company to work with, all thanks to the guys at Chicago Auto Pro. So check out their channel. I'll have them linked down below. Awesome guys, really awesome channel, and their new store is just amazing. They keep putting more and more products on there, more stuff, and we're going to keep rolling out more how-to videos as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it. And again, guys, check out the links below to the Car Guy Supplies site and pick up some products and save yourself some money. And guys, as always, consider subscribing to our channel. We have a ton of videos, from interior, exterior detail videos to how-tos to reviews, all sorts of stuff. Definitely click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And guys, if you're interested in the new merchandise, the new shirts, then click on the store down there as well. We have some more info coming out about giveaways that I think you'll really be interested in. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. Have a great week. We'll see you next time.